Yeah, welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. So, Kaylan Dowdie finally come out of the hospital. The moment we are waiting for.
Kaylan, there you go. Bye, you gone? What? What? Give my touch there. Okay? Later.
Watch Kaylan in her home a drink Kisco at home in bed. In our nice clean bed. Watch nice bed. Watch nice sheets. Oh yes, you'll remember this when she asked for this last year for her birthday. Yes. Who did send it? Dwight? Or her friend Dwight. He sent this. Yeah man, see one picture here with enough. You would have to put one picture with himself on the team. Enough bad. Oh my god. Oh, and y'all remember last year she wanted a life-size teddy bear. KK what? Oh Jesus, KK big man. Life-size teddy. Oh my god. Courtesy of Auntie Kerry. This one. A lady bought one, but they held on to them to it at customs, wanting us to pay. Remember? La Parcan. One will pay one whole heap of money to clear one teddy bear and some supplement. Yes, so she got her life-size teddy, and she did get her phone. Thanks to that beautiful woman, she know herself. Initials D.O. Kaylan a drink Kisco, people. Watch this. Kisco. Or I'm going to look get up. Put on chair over this of a sit pan. I like a setup. Chair. Wheelchair. I like a things there. Trying to like a close back the closet door there. Setup. BiPAP, 2 BiPAP machines. Suction. Oxygen. Her original wheelchair. Yes, we ended up getting 2 wheelchairs from one person. Pick up yourself, Fifi. Love you, sis. Yeah, Fifi and I like a nice self. Yeah. Kaylan at home. Everybody. Kaylan is at home. Say hi, Kaylan. Say hi. Yeah. She love her little room. Her room kind of cozy. And you know she's a purple girl. Purple girl. Yeah, like a purple carpet. Yay. I love that sheet of cake, man. Nah, like Auntie Carrie, do yourself with them sheets, yeah. I like it, yeah. Yeah, Teddy over here on the chair. So a nurse's chair when them there. And our TV, meds over there, so. Can't seem to set it up. I have to go YouTube for that. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Kaylan is home. I am so happy. To God be the glory. Nobody could have done this but Jesus Christ himself. Lord and Savior of our lives. He did it for us. If he did it for us, he can do it for you. God is able to do the impossible. He is able. There's no with God. There's no with God. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. No with God. One, eat your ice pop, my love.
Going there, no. You never get bad luck in them way there. You never get bad luck in them way there. You never yet would have gone in the room to pick up something. And when you look, you used to something miss. But y'all are saying Gia would do it for me. I don't know them put them sheet. I not go dig up. Gia! Gia, I have something to tell you. See, you know, so I'm in my room lock up as I left, right? In a room of my own business. You see what people do for the life? Me in a room of my own business. See, there's a Jada Kingdom song coming on my head, so me I beat the Jada Kingdom song. Anyways, I come out and know I'm more phone song, but they saw snap to the Jada Kingdom song. When me a snap now, me hear one stone that scratch off the door. So me I say, Bumbleclaw, Louis! Louis! Yeah, I said Louis, so I think gonna go on it, Louis. Say no, me still a snap. I'm still hear the door scratch off, and I go say, Louis! Louis! Yeah, Louis a scratch off the door. In the phone room, Louis there, you know. You know, I come so up and I walk, so now, the door did lock so. I'm going to open the door so for look. When time me go in there for let out Louis. Look what I found on your bed. Shit.
I lie your tail. I must lie your tail. Vanny, let me kill your dog today.
Well, you know what I mean, you know? I couldn't do nothing more than take up a shit for your car down. You put your sheet them. I mean, now go in your room, go dig up when me no put down. So I leave one for change the sheet.
Hey, boy.
And then by the time I take up the shit now and come home, me look pissed for it. And this flavor did that talk, boy. And this nails my flavor did that talk. But listen, I don't go whipping Bumbleclaw, eh? $1,000 for 1 million years, I don't have it, sorry. I don't have it, me have to save it, no, me have to save it, I don't have it, sorry. Bumbleclaw, this biggie. Let me see.
500 for 1 million.
Pause. Over the sun, you go bite? Will you give me this to show that this me a talk about?
And you take your to the hand.
Hold on. Who them I send me? Oh, Tyler is here. Hold on. We have to change in the sheet them. Louis. I could go in down the room, go dig up sheet to put, but I don't know when to put in the sheet. I one thing, I mean, now go in down the room. Me only go in there for assist. Store what? People drink porridge a morning, at night now. We blood clear, cook big pot of porridge in a big Sunday. You know, see, man, cook the food here. Lock the fridge. That request na what Tyler gun?